Breastfeeding is one of the most natural and beautiful experiences between a mother and her baby. But for many, it doesn't always come easily. Latching challenges are one of the most common hurdles new moms face. If you're struggling, know this: you're not alone. And there are practical steps you can take to make breastfeeding a smoother, more enjoyable journey. First, let's talk about what a good latch looks like. A proper latch means your baby's mouth covers not just the nipple, but also a good portion of the areola. This ensures they can effectively draw milk and prevents discomfort for you. A good latch is key to successful breastfeeding. If your baby isn't latching well, it can lead to sore nipples, low milk supply, and frustration for both of you. Many moms face specific challenges when it comes to latching. These can include a shallow latch, where the baby doesn't take enough of the breast into their mouth, or physical issues like tongue tie or flat or inverted nipples. Sometimes babies are too sleepy or fussy to latch properly. I felt so defeated when my baby wouldn't latch. It was painful, and I didn't know what I was doing wrong. Here are some practical tips to help you and your baby achieve a better latch. 1. Positioning is everything. Experiment with different holds, like the cradle hold, football hold, or side-lying position to find what works best for you and your baby. 2. Support your baby's head and neck. Use your hand to guide your baby's head to your breast, but let them lead the way. 3. Wait for a wide open mouth. Gently brush your nipple against your baby's lips to encourage them to open wide before latching. 4. Bring your baby to your breast, not the other way around. Lean back slightly and let your baby come to you. This can help them take more of the breast into their mouth. Remember, breastfeeding is a learning process for both of you. Be patient and give yourself grace. If you're dealing with specific challenges, there are solutions. For example, tongue tie. A simple procedure called a frenotomy can help if your baby's tongue mobility is restricted. Flat or inverted nipples. Nipple shields can be a game changer, helping your baby latch more easily. Sleepy baby. Try skin-to-skin contact to wake them up and encourage feeding cues like rooting and sucking. Using a nipple shield made all the difference for us. It gave me the confidence to keep trying. Don't hesitate to seek support. Lactation consultants, breastfeeding support groups, and even online communities can provide invaluable advice and encouragement. You don't have to figure this out on your own. Every breastfeeding journey is unique. What works for one mom might not work for another, and that's okay. The important thing is to keep trying and ask for help when you need it. Breastfeeding can be exhausting, both physically and emotionally. Remember to take care of yourself too. Stay hydrated, eat nourishing foods, and rest whenever you can. A happy, healthy mom is the best gift you can give your baby. I had to remind myself that it's okay to take breaks and ask for help. Taking care of me was just as important as taking care of my baby. Every step forward, no matter how small, is worth celebrating. Whether it's a better latch, a longer feeding session, or simply feeling more confident, these wins add up. When my baby finally latched properly, it was such a relief. All the hard work was worth it. Breastfeeding is a journey filled with ups and downs, but with patience, support, and practical strategies, you can overcome latching challenges. Remember, you're doing an amazing job, and every effort you make is a step toward a stronger bond with your baby.